Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani and you are watching Faith by Design. Today I'm doing a cash stuffing of a few weeks of pay, I think the second and third week of July. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please keep watching. So today we'll be cash stuffing a total of $610. We have $310 in real money, and then we have $300 in prop money. So we're going to start off first and foremost with the $1,000 savings challenge. This is to beef up our emergency fund, which we did have to drain because we had to get our units replaced. So thankfully we started trying to build it up and we were almost at like 2,000. It seems like every time we get around the 2,000 mark, we end up having to use it, but that's what it's there for. So thankfully this challenge we have been starting, so that way we'll be able to get to 1,000 once again very soon. So we're going to put $300 in our challenge today, and we're going to use the prop money here. I'm going to move this money aside for later. But yeah, we're going to, I think it comes here, move this here. All right, so this is for our emergency savings, and we have it in a high yield savings account. So we're going to add $300 of prop money to this challenge. So we have
100, 2 and 3, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 490, 510, 530, 550, 570, 590, 610, 630, 640, 645, 650, 655.
So we have $655, I believe, if I counted everything right, in our emergency fund. If not, I will put the correct amount on the screen. So we're going to color in 55, 45, 45, 55, because that's 200. And then 20, 30 is 50, 35 and 15 is 50. So we have a lot of hearts to color in. So I will speed through this. We're all done. Yay, we have a lot of hearts that we've colored in, looking great so far. So we just got one on that row left and those at the bottom. And hopefully we can get this to 1,000 very soon so we can start on our next challenge to get it to another 1,000. I usually like to break it up in increments, so we'll do 1,000 at a time. It's very, very important. If you haven't started saving for an emergency fund, please try to save a little bit at a time. You never know how it'll come in handy and what you can use the money for, because life be lifing. So it's very important just to start where you are, start an emergency fund and save a little bit at a time, and you'll be amazed at how much it will grow and it'll come in handy when you really need it, I promise you. So let's move on to the next challenge. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 310, and I have a ripped 20 right here. Okay, so birthdays is going to be getting $20, no, $40. And this is for my daughter who is turning 20, the big 20. Well, next up is going to be back to school. I believe it's in this binder here. So this one is for my college student, soon to be college student. And we're putting in $100 for her. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. She did go shopping for a few things. This is her Target receipt. So let's see what we have now. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 171 in back to school for her. And then for my other daughter, Skylar, my youngest, we're going to be putting in $40 for her school. I hope you all are staying cool. If you are experiencing a heat wave, 20, 40. And she now has, let's see, I haven't actually started shopping for her yet. 20, 40, 60, 70. So school has $70. I take that back. I did start getting some more uniform clothes for her. She does have to wear uniforms, but I still need to get the actual like school supplies. And last but not least, actually, let's see how much we have left. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30. Okay, I know, let's see. So emergencies done. Next, I'll probably try to do them all together so that way I can stop switching binders. So we have the $700 savings challenge, and this is for car maintenance. So that is getting 40 today, 20, 40. So now car maintenance has 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20. So 120, and let's go ahead and color in to these squares here. We did have to rebuild this one back up recently because we had to get new tires. So it is slowly adding back up. The 20s in red represent the new stuffing that we had to start over. So I think it's building up pretty fast. We do have to take the car to get an oil change very soon. And I think we also have to get like a system flush. So it'll be more than just an oil change. So it will probably cost us a few $100. Okay, self-care. Self-care is getting $20 today. So self-care now has 40. And okay, I think HOA fee, I don't have an envelope for that, but that is coming up. It usually happens actually June, but for some reason they haven't sent us a notice about it. And usually they'll just put it in our mailboxes and we have to just pay the yearly fee. It's about, I think it's like 120. I don't know. I'm just gonna put a sticky on it. I don't have an envelope for it. I probably will have one in the future, but I wanted to take the cash out just so I can start setting some money aside for that. And the 20 that I am left with, I have no idea. No, what we'll do is we'll put this in Larry's Adventure because we are using some of this money for Christmas. So we're gonna go ahead and put in 15 because we still have to color in the 15. And this challenge was created by Elisha from Hands and Bands. And I started this challenge, I think, sometime last December. So we've been doing this for quite a while. So I'm excited to get this one completed very soon. Half of it will be going, or not half, I don't really know how much is going to go to Christmas. And then some of it will also go to Skylar's savings, my littlest one. So we're going to add 15 here. And I need to make change. So, let's see, do I have a 5? 2, 3, 4, 5. I do. Yep. Okay. So Larry's Adventure now has 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300, 310. Let's count that again. 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210. I'm talking about 310. Larry's Adventure has 210. So excited that that will be finished soon. And I think we are done. Yeah. This is going back to the bank. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry for shaking the camera. I hope you all have a blessed week. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please stay cool out there, stay blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.